Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to deposit money on your Coinbase with a debit card. Need to deposit money instantly on Coinbase using a debit card is one of the fastest ways, and here's how to do it. Now, before we start, Coinbase is a secure online platform for buying, selling, transferring, and storing cryptocurrency. And if you'd like to join this platform, you're just gonna go to your web browser or your mobile app, and you can download the Coinbase app from the Play Store or App Store, depending on which device you're using. And if you're using a computer, you can go to the Coinbase.com website and make sure you sign in or sign up, depending on whether you have an account already or not. And once you sign in, you're gonna log into that account. Now, once you're logged into the account, you're gonna go to your accounts dashboard, and from there, you're gonna sign in. Then you're going to select and click on your profile icon. After that, you're going to choose settings, then navigate to the payment methods. And in the payment method section, you're going to tap add payment method. Then you're going to choose a debit card. Enter your card details. You're going to select the add payment method. Then you're going to choose your preferred payment method, which is in this case, debit card. And you are going to complete the prompts to verify your payment method. Now, after that, you're gonna make sure to complete any security verification steps required to verify your credit card. And the fourth step is to tap Assets and select Add Cash. Now, after that, you're gonna enter the amounts you're paying or the amount you want to deposit, like this. After you finish setting up the payment method, then you're gonna select debit card and choose your debit card as the payment method. And after that, you're going to review the fees and confirm the deposit. Now, debit card deposits are usually instant, but fees are often higher than the bank transfers. And that's it. You've successfully deposited money with debit card on Coinbase. And if you liked this video and found it helpful, please like and subscribe and leave a comment below the video if you have further more questions about this topic. Thanks for watching and see you again in the next tutorial.